Hi, third grade. It's Mrs. D'Amico here. Today we are going to wrap up Unit 5, Week 1 by doing the Day 5 lesson. Let's get started really quickly with our drill sounds warm-up. Repeat after me. A, wash, ah. A, squash, ah. A, safe, a. E, ed, eh. E, Pete, e. Schwa, wagon, or I. Good. I, pine, I. You, up, You, mule, you. You, rule, oo. IVE, give, iv. Excellent work. Okay, in a moment here, we're going to be getting into our composition books and completing a Day 5 checkup. But before we do that, let's do a quick review of a few of our word of the day. The first word of the day that I want to review with you is the word trapped. Say it, trapped. What's my base word? Trap. You should be able to tell me how I would build that. Trap. Go. And okay, great. So looking at my base word trap, you should be able to tell me what kind of word it is. Is it a vowel, consonant, E word? No. But what is it? It is. It's a 111 word. It's a 111 word because why? Do you remember those 3 rules? It's a 1-syllable word that's a closed syllable. That's one rule. It has only one vowel, and the vowel is followed by only one consonant. There you go. Those are the 3 rules of a 111 word. So if my word was trapped, I know it sounds like a T, but what suffix do I add on to that? Yeah, I'm putting it in the past tense. I need ed. Before I attach a vowel suffix to a 111 base word, what do? I don't want it to say traped. So what do? Yes, double the consonant and then attach it. And remember when we marked it, here we go, underline the base word. If you had to double rule, star the extra letter, and then you circle the suffix. Very good review there for trapped. Okay, the next word I want to review with you, the first word, the base word, I should say, has 2 syllables. Inspire. So help me with inspire. Help me with in. That should be easy. Good job. How about spire? Inspire. Sp. Right, we have a blend. Go ahead. Spire. Right, this is a vowel, long vowel, consonant. And why is that long? Right, because it's a vowel dash E. The second syllable part, here we go again. Let me fit it. I don't know why it just doesn't let me fit everything. I'll scooch everything over. Oh, my stars. I have to be patient. Why is it not letting me put my letters where I want them? Okay, sorry, third grade. Inspire with an E. There we go. Okay, see the vowel, consonant, E pattern? Now the whole word, I don't know if I've even told you the whole word yet. It's inspiring. Say it, inspiring. So this second syllable is a vowel, consonant, E, and I'm about to attach a vowel suffix. Do you remember the rule? Yes, you have to drop the E and then attach the ing. And really, whenever we mark it, we mark the E right up above there, but it's not going, of course it's not going to let me do that. So when we mark this, let's see, scoop our syllables. Inspire, and then circle the suffix ing. In is a closed syllable, right? Just put a brief. Spire is not a closed syllable. It's a what? Right. Vowel dash E. And we insert the E. See if it lets me do that. Kind of. It's kind of very sloppy. It's hard to do that. Insert the E there before the suffix. Very good. All right. The last word I want to do before our checkup is pollen. Say it. Pollen. All right. I need to borrow this word here. We'll just make it. It's 2 syllables, but we can do it. Paul. Right. It's not A-L-L. It's P-O-L for Paul. Pollen. Now, this might have the schwa, correct? Is it L-I-N? No. Do you remember? If it ends with an N, if a word ends with an N and there's a schwa right before it, it's usually an O or an E. So which one? Pollen is an E, right? Okay, so to mark this one up, scoop our syllables. Pollen. This one is closed. We put the brief. But this one has an unexpected vowel sound. It almost sounds like it should be I, pollen, but it's not. That's a schwa. Remember the upside down E to mark it, but it is still closed. All right, 3rd grade, very good. So real quickly, do you have which word up there has a 111 base word plus a suffix? Right, trapped. Trapped was the 111 word, and you know what we had to do for the rule to attach that vowel suffix. Good job. Which word did we have to drop an E when the suffix was added? Right, inspiring. We had to drop that E and inspire before we attached the vowel suffix. Okay, and then it says, find some multisyllabic words. Which one has the schwa? Well, do you remember which one we marked the schwa for? Yeah, pollen. But really, inspiring has 3 syllables. Pollen has 2, but pollen is the one with the schwa sound. Very good. Okay, 3rd grade. Without further ado, the last thing we're doing today is getting into our composition book. The page that you need to turn to is page 15. Okay, page 15. Get the date up at the top, please. And I did tell you it's a day 5 checkup. So in the checkup box, make sure you are putting an X on top of page 15 for checkup. Page 15. Make sure your top looks like that. Okay, and 3rd grade, since this is a checkup, this means that I am not going to go over the correct answers. You are going to write in your book the answers, and then when you come back to school, I will be sure to check your page 15 and see how you're doing with these spelling rules. I will give you a hot tip. When we get down to where it says current words, those are Unit 5 words that have the schwa sound. That could be tricky sometimes. There is a tool in your student notebook for you to use if you're not sure what vowel goes in there for the schwa. And we've practiced this in school. Your spelling options section has all 4 of the current words that we'll go over today. So if you happen to have that at home, that's a very good tool for you to use. All right. Page 15 at the top, go to sound number 1, and I want you to write down very neatly, k. Say it. K. Pause the video right now and write them down. Okay, sound number 2. Remember, we're not going over the right answers because this is a checkup. This is to see how you do. Number 2, your sound is ch. Say it. Ch. Pause the video and write it. Number 3, your sound is olt. Say it. Olt. Pause the video and write it. And number 4, your sound is ink. Say it. ink. Now, please know, even though you're not in school taking this checkup, over here, there's all of our sound cards and suffixes for you to use as a tool. So number 1 was k. Sound number 2 was ch. Number 3 was olt. And number 4 was ank. And now you should be ready to move down to where it says review words. You're going to spell these words and then mark them. Number 1, your word is conflict. Say it. Conflict. There was a conflict in the cafeteria. That's another word for problem. So next to number 1, you should be able to get it's multi-syllables. So scoop the syllables. Conflict. That one does not, boys and girls, have a suffix. So hear the sounds. Conflict. There's no base word and suffix. Pause the video to finish spelling conflict and marking it. Okay, number 2. Your word is quote. Say it. Quote. Let's tap it. Quote. Quote. Spell it and then mark it. Your word should not say quat. Make sure it's O. What rule have we learned? Number 3. And make sure pause the video if you need time because you should be spelling these words and marking them. Number 3, your word is cute. That's the base word. Cuter. The whole word, cuter. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. Cuter. And think about that rule before you attach a vowel suffix. Cuter. All right, word number 4. Gold. Say it. Gold. Her necklace was made of gold. Gold. Spell it and don't forget to mark it. Okay, now we're ready to move on to where it says current words on page 15. Go over to number 1. These are Unit 5 words that have the schwa sound. And remember I said, use your spelling options section if you are not confident. Word number 1 is absent. Say it. Absent. The student was absent from school when he was sick. Absent. You have to think, what's that schwa? What vowel will go in there? Spell it first and then mark it. Okay, word number 2. Problem. Say it. Problem. There was a problem with my computer. Problem. Number 3. Talent. Say it. Talent. We each have a unique talent to share with others. Talent. Talent. You've got to decide what vowel makes the schwa sound. Okay, and the last current word is lemon. Lemon. The lemon I ate was very sour. Lemon. Okay, pause the video to give yourself more time to spell and mark. And check those schwa words in your spelling options section. They're all in there. Okay, move down to the sound alike words section and find number 1. The first word is no. Say it. No. I know I should use my tools when I am allowed. No. And number 2, weather. The weather outside today is very rainy. Weather. Pause the video if you need more time with those. All right, the next section is review trick words. The first trick word I want you to write is carry. Say it. Carry. I had to carry the groceries in from the car. Carry. These are also in your trick word section if you're not sure. Number 2, brother. I have an older brother and a younger brother. Okay, and we're only going to do one sentence today. Are you ready? Think about the punctuation because I'm pretty sure this is a question I'm asking. Get a capital letter ready in your brain. Can I have a bite of this lemon? I'll say it again. Can I have a bite of this lemon? And one more time. Can I have a bite of this lemon? Make sure you have capital letter, punctuation, you're being very neat, and then scoop your sentence into phrases when you're ready. Can I have a bite of this lemon? Great work today, third grade. I'll see you next time.